Planning your next camping adventure, but worried about rain, wind, or unpredictable weather? A high-quality waterproof tent is a game changer. From compact backpacking tents to spacious family-sized shelters, these are the best waterproof tents of 2025, designed to keep you dry and comfortable no matter the conditions. And if you want to check out any of these, all the product links are in the description below. Nightcat Upgraded Backpacking Tent. Best for solo and lightweight. Camping. For solo adventurers and backpackers, the Nightcat Upgraded Backpacking Tent is the perfect compact and lightweight option. It features a quick clip setup that allows you to pitch it within minutes, and its heavy rainproof fabric with a waterproof rating of over 3,000 millimeters ensures you stay completely dry. Weighing just under 5 pounds, it's easy to carry, making it a great pick for scouts, hikers, and single campers. Need a lightweight, rainproof tent for solo or two-person trips? Check the link in the description. UNP 2-person waterproof camping tent. Best for quick and easy setup. If you're looking for a waterproof tent that's quick and simple to set up, the UNP camping tent is a great option. With a built-in rainfly, windproof construction, and reinforced seams, it provides excellent protection against rain and wind. Its portable dome design makes it lightweight and easy to carry, perfect for hikers and campers who want durability without extra bulk. Looking for a compact, easy-to-set-up waterproof tent? Check the link below. CAMEL Crown Camping Tent. Best for versatile sizing, 2 to 5 people. The CAMEL Crown camping tent is a spacious and reliable option available in multiple sizes, like 2, 3, 4, and 5-person versions. It features a double-layer waterproof coating, breathable mesh panels, and durable fiberglass poles, ensuring stability in wind and rain. Its lightweight and portable design makes it ideal for camping, hiking, and outdoor adventures. Need a waterproof tent that fits 2 to 5 people? Check the link in the description. Clostnature Vela Camping Tent. Best for all-season durability. The Clostnature Vela Camping Tent is built for all-weather camping, offering waterproof protection, wind resistance, and insulation for cold nights. Available in 2, 4, and 6-person sizes, it features high-quality polyester fabric with a PU 3000 coating, keeping you dry in heavy rain conditions. Its easy setup and sturdy frame make it a great choice for families, outdoor explorers, and scout groups. Want an all-weather waterproof tent that's easy to set up? Check the link below. ASFANES 2-12 Person Waterproof Tent. Best for large groups and family. Camping for large groups, families, or outdoor gatherings, the ASFANES waterproof tent is a must-have. Designed for 2 to 12 people, this double-layer tent provides superior rain protection, ventilation, and extra space for comfortable camping in any condition. It's perfect for fishing trips, backyard camping, and picnics, offering plenty of room while keeping you dry. Need a large waterproof tent for group camping? Check the link in the description. Thanks for watching. If you love camping gear and outdoor adventure reviews, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more. Check the description for links, and we'll see you in the next video.